Sometimes the image is correct, but the perspective isn't quite what you need. You like the subject, you like the lighting, but you want to explore a different perspective. That's where Change Camera becomes useful. There are two ways to access this tool. The first one is from Home. Make sure you are in the Image tab, then select Change Camera from the available tools. If you enter this way, you'll see a box where you can drag or upload any image you want to modify. The second way is from an existing image. Open any image from your history, click Edit Image, and you'll find Change Camera there. If you enter from an existing image, the tool opens with it already loaded, so the upload box won't appear, since you're already editing that file. For this example, we'll use a full-body character on a neutral background. This makes perspective changes easy to see. Once inside Change Camera, a 3D preview appears. You'll see a circular blue path and a vertical purple arc. The circular path controls horizontal rotation around the subject. The vertical arc adjusts camera height. You can move the controls directly in the preview to explore the perspective in real time, or use the sliders below if you prefer adjusting the values manually. Rotate changes the horizontal angle. Vertical moves the camera up or down. Zoom controls how close or far the framing feels. As you move these controls, the preview updates in real time. This allows you to evaluate the new perspective before committing to a generation. Now look at the camera's slider. This determines how many perspectives will be generated. As you increase the number, additional camera positions appear visually around the circular path. Each one represents a different viewpoint that will be generated. And as you continue adjusting the blue and purple controls, those camera positions move in real time, so you can see exactly where each camera will be placed before clicking Generate. If you're confident about a single angle, simply leave it at one camera. You'll receive just that perspective. If you want to explore alternatives, increase the number and generate multiple viewpoints at once. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Generate. Let's create a few perspectives to compare how each angle changes the feeling of the frame. The system creates new images based on the selected camera positions, while preserving the original subject and styling. Notice how each viewpoint subtly shifts the balance and presence of the character. A lower angle can feel more imposing. A higher angle can feel more observational. A slight rotation can add tension or dynamism. Change Camera allows you to explore new perspectives quickly, without rebuilding the image from scratch. It's a controlled way to refine framing while keeping your subject and styling intact. Small perspective changes can make a big difference, and now you can define them deliberately. We hope this helps you explore new angles and bring even more flexibility to your projects. We hope to see you in the next one.